All right, boys and girls, today we are learning about our sense of touch. Our Senses by Karen Jones. I can see the friends in this picture are holding hands. They are touching each other's hands. Very nice. We have 5 senses. Our sense of touch, smell, taste, hearing, and sight. Our bodies help us learn and explore the world around us. We see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. These are called our senses. Scientists use their senses when they do experiments. We got to do some experiments. I love it. They need to watch, listen, touch, and smell. Sometimes they even need to taste to find out the answer to their question. I'm looking at the picture and I see 2 scientists looking closely at a plant. Maybe their experiment has to do with a plant. Touch is one of our 5 senses. Do you know what part of our body we use to feel things? Think hard. This is a tricky one. What do you think? Whoop. Most people might guess hands. Did you guess hands? But before we find out, let's think about some different situations. Think about a time when you stepped on something pointy or hot or wet. Think about a time when you felt rain pouring on your head. Think about a time when someone tapped on your arm. In all of those situations, you were using your sense of touch. Did you guess what it is? It's our skin. Your skin is the part of the body that allows you to touch and feel things. So all of our skin, we can touch and feel. Our sense of touch allows us to feel many different things. It helps us to feel the size and the shape and the texture of things. Can you say that word, texture? Texture. That's how something feels. It helps us when things are wet, when they're dry, when they're rough, or when they are smooth. It helps us to tell the difference between soft and hard, or hot and cold. We may feel happy when we touch something just like our favorite stuffy, when we touch something soft and cuddly like a teddy bear. We may feel pain when we touch something sharp like a knife. We got to be extra careful, otherwise we could, ouch, hurt ourselves. Our brain tells us when something that touches us is good, like a stuffed animal, or bad, something that could hurt us. If you jump in a pool and the water feels warm, it may make you happy. If you have a pebble in your shoe, your brain might send a message saying, "This is bothering me." Our sense of touch is very important. We use it every day. I'm going to say that again. Our sense of touch is very important. We use it every day. How do we use our sense of touch? All right, so on our seesaw activity, I have a fun scavenger hunt planned for you. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have so much fun doing our scavenger hunt and learning about our sense of touch.